everybody. I hope that you've had 2 productive weeks planning out. What? Come here. I hope you've had 2 productive weeks planning out the day that you're going to shoot 1 roll of film spread out evenly over 12 hours. The assignment, of course, is to shoot 1 roll of film, or for those of you doing this digitally, 35 to 36 images over the course of 12 hours. Now, when you finish your work, Steinbeck, such a silly dog. When you finish your work, what you want to do is share it. He's making up for 6 months of not having any attention. All right, Paul. You slept through the recording of the first half of these. If you're going to share it on Instagram, hashtag P101WDH for Photography 101 with David Hancock. Be sure to give me an @ or if you don't want to or can't use Instagram, what you want to do is share your work through an online album like Imager or one of the other free sharing services. Create a hidden album, share a link to that in the comments for this video. Next time I go in and approve comments with links, I will approve it. I will take a look at your work. I may not get a chance to comment on all of the submissions, but I will look at them all. Thank you very much for participating. I hope that the first half of this year was very, very helpful to you, and that the second half of this year, where the assignments start to get a bit trickier, will continue to be even more helpful. See you at the beginning of August.